Good morning on this beautiful November 13th morning. It's 70 degrees, and here we are on probably the last of the year LanCoaster bike ride in Lancaster. There's about 30 to 40 of us riding today. As you can see, there's Land Cruisers, 10 speeds, tandem bikes, and just take a look at the Lancaster Boulevard, the Boulevard. She is looking great. If you haven't seen her yet, come on down. Strolling down on the bike was just perfect today. Here's my theater in construction. I say it's mine, but it's not really. The Brooklyn Deli, great pastrami sandwiches. Also, stop in at the Bandstand Coffee Shop. Tell them Chuck sent you. They have great coffee. Here we are at one of our first breaks. People making calls. Rich talking with the police officers that are giving us our escort through the town of Lancaster. Once again, 70 degrees outside. A great day for biking. And you never know what you see. Nice old car here. Here's some more bikers. More bikers. And back over this way, Rich,